Welcome to American Info. The former guy's attorneys are urging the judge to indict him. Before I continue, please subscribe and hit the notification bell to keep up to date with our latest information. The former guy's crime group has raised the occasion that the former president should be indicted as part of an investigation into his authority, secrets and techniques at his Mar-a-Lago, Florida motel. Despite claiming days earlier that the former man could not think of indictment, his attorneys made a no-nonsense admission in a courtroom on Monday about proposing an external audit of archives seized by the FBI in August. Who is appointed to assist in the administration of the assessment process. Federal Judge Raymond Deary had previously asked the former man to describe any materials held by Mar-a-Lago, which he may also wish to declassify. In the court filing, attorneys for the former guy said that requiring him to do so should compromise any possible protection if he is later charged, and that he no longer has to fully and primarily disclose a protection due to someone later charged unless such a requirement is evident for the duration of the review. As of Tuesday, Guy's former legal experts have claimed he should release all the documents but have stopped saying so honestly. The former guy has so far been lost to publicly contemplating the possibility that he should be charged with the FBI's search. In an interview with conservative radio host Hugo Hewitt on September 15, the former guy said, "I can't think of being charged. I have done nothing wrong in the categorized archival case, nor in the investigation of his efforts to undermine the results of the 2020 presidential election, which he lost to Joe Biden." The former man also said, "I don't think the people of the United States would stand for it, and that the cost wouldn't stop him from running for the White House again in 2024 if he wanted to." Prosecutors for the U.S. Department of Justice submitted their own inspiration for the backyard assessment of the seized documents, with key differences. While the X-Man's crew needed diaries to access the seized archives within days, the Justice Department said he should first contact the federal agency responsible for managing agency files. Deary will hold his first meeting with the former attorneys and the Justice Department's prosecutors Tuesday in the federal courtroom in Brooklyn. He was appointed to his role by Florida-based federal judge Aileen Cannon, who oversees the document review process made fundamental by the Mar-a-Lago search. Cannon gave Deary a deadline of November 30 to review the documents. The FBI said its search of the former man's motel arrived here after dealers found convincing evidence the former man was storing Secret Service substances there. According to officials, vendors confiscated about 110 archives, as well as 48 empty folders decorated with categorized marks. The former man and his friends were also under scrutiny by Congress for their moves before, during and after the deadly attack on U.S. Capitol by a mob of his supporters on January 6, 2021. The attack was aimed at stopping the U.S. House of Representatives and Congress from, among other things, confirming Biden's victory in the Oval Office race last year. The former guy is accused of ignoring the police to protect his followers on the day of